Today I'm doing a review of a product called Profit Product Creator. This is a program that's been around for quite a while. It's been launched and relaunched and relaunched again. Apparently they're having success at finding newbies to buy this product because any seasoned marketer wouldn't even be looking at this. But I'm going to give you a walkthrough of this product and then I'm going to give you my honest opinion of what I think about it and whether or not I feel like it's something worth purchasing or not. My name is Robert Poole. My website is enterpriseformula.com. I provide tips and strategies to help you with your online marketing. If you find this video useful, please subscribe, hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. If you click the link in the description below this video, you'll find a product that will give you all the training you need to help you get started with your online marketing successfully. And the great thing about it is that this training is absolutely free. So click the link in the description below and take advantage of that free offer. Okay, so on the sales page, here it says, the world's first 100% done-for-you digital product creation suite. Brand new web-based app creates highly profitable digital products and gets unlimited buyer traffic and leads in under 60 seconds. 100% newbie friendly, no experience or skills required. Create digital products in under 60 seconds with other people's content and articles. Make passive income, big commissions, and build your email list from free viral traffic. 100% free traffic included. Build your own 7-figure digital product creation empire fast. All-inclusive solution with 0 monthly fees. And that's basically going to be all of the steps that they're explaining, all of the positive things that they're going to be talking about inside of the sales page. But let's go ahead and take a look at the product itself. We're now inside of the dashboard of Profit Product Creator. And as you can see along the side here, your choices will be training, create products, e-cover creator, my library, done for you packages, license generator, free traffic, unlimited version, unlimited traffic, automation, ATM. Let's go to the create product. These are the options that you get to create your product. You can use their database. You can create a text file. You can get a URL from any articles that you may have on a website or a blog. And you can do it manually. If you go to their database, we'll go to their database. And now all you have to do is enter a keyword. So let's say affiliate marketing. We do that. Now we have an option to choose from several different sources. One is the PLR repository, BCS repository, and my collections. We're going to go to the PLR repository. I'm going to use all keywords. You can put the number of articles that you want them to pull. So in this case, we'll just stick with 25. And so then you just click find. And now it's going to find articles for you relating to affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's take a look. Second tier affiliates. It's a nice long article. Ebooks and affiliate programs. Absolute 10 best ways to generate traffic and build your list. Internet marketing, things you don't need to know. Right, so let's say we decided we wanted to use these articles. Business computer home solutions, what to look for in a home biz opportunity, how AdSense changed the internet. Well, these are not all related, but you would have to, of course, edit these, which I don't think we could do that in 60 seconds, how to create an automated income producer. That's one of the problems that I see here is that you would have to edit these to make this a good product for your customer, and that's going to take longer than 60 seconds unless you just don't care about what you send to your prospective customer. But the next step is, if we like these, then you simply go to the bottom and you click create, and it will create your ebook for you. Now you can title it, call it what you like, put your name in, give it a cover image, and the way you do that is you can just browse for the cover image, and when you click there, you'll get some choices. And you can also upload. If you were to click here, you can upload an image, and you can drop your files here in order to get an image for your ebook. You also have the option to use their e-cover creator. If you were to click there, what you would get is some e-covers that they have available inside of their database. Or you can go ahead and use the ebook that you already created or that you downloaded. To go back to the ebook that you were working on, you just go back to My Library, and then you just click the Edit button right here. You just click that, and that takes you back inside of the ebook that you were creating. Then you put a subheading. You can edit the text. You can change the size of the text. You can do the page numbering, and you can do numbering format. Header text, but different text for each header. And you just continue on down, and this is how you actually edit your ebook. Once you're done editing, now you can go down and look at each article that you put in the book itself. And if you wanted to, you can edit each article individually. But of course, you know, this is taking way longer than 60 seconds. Now, one of the good things though is that you can actually move these articles around. So you can start putting a book together. You really could put a pretty decent ebook together with this. And for each article, you would go inside the article, you would edit right here. So now, if you look, there's how it's actually formatted right here. So of course, you know, that's going to need some editing. And the way you would edit this is if you look over here, these are some of the options you have. You can also add text. If you want it, you just grab it, bring it over. You can add an image if you wanted to, just grab it, bring it over. You can add a heading, just grab it, bring it over. Now, if you wanted to edit the text, you just click the text, and now you can edit it just like a regular text editor. So now you can actually make some changes if you wanted to. You could make it larger, you know, whatever you want it to do. You could change the colors, and it changes here, as you see. Those are some of the things that you could do there. Once you're done editing the text, then you can come back out of it here. And then once you're done with that, you can just save and close. So you save it and close it. Now that you've got your text edited the way you want, you got the different articles in the different order that you want. Once you're done, you can regenerate your ebook. Now it's converting it to PDF. Now your book has been generated. So now your book is ready. And that's how you would generate your book here. Now the next thing you have are the done for you packages. These are upgrades. The done for you is an upgrade. Now you do have your license generator. This is something that you could do. With each ebook, you can generate a license. You would just basically add a new license certificate. So if you click that, then you would have to name it. And then you would start deciding exactly how you wanted this license to be. You have lots of different license terms, options that you can use when creating your license for your ebook. And these are some of the options. It can be packaged, can be offered as a bonus. You just click here if you want to add those things. You can enter the license type. And if you click here, you'll see you have several license types. You can use personal use, resale rights, master resale rights, PLR license, PLR branding license. So they do have some pretty complete ways to generate your ebook, to generate your license. Now, your free traffic. First, you have your unlimited version, which is an upsell. Then you have your unlimited traffic, which is, let's see, if you click here, it says, welcome to the traffic upgrade. Automation, you have unlocked the automation upgrade. Super affiliate, and you can upgrade your membership. If you go into the free traffic, what he does for you is he gives you an opportunity to get free clicks here. Now, the way that works is you would have to complete your ebook, get your links together, have everything all set and ready to go and ready to start sending traffic to it. Then there's a form here that you have to fill out. It says click here to submit the form for traffic. And when you click there, you'll get this form that you have to fill out. And in this form, it just says, please fill in the form to claim your free traffic. If you've already refunded or intend to refund this product, we will not entertain your responses. You must be an active member of this product for at least 5 days. The traffic will then start. Now, the traffic he's talking about He's saying that he will give 50 to 100 or even maybe 200 clicks to anybody that actually completes this process and creates a book and has a link and have everything ready, their landing page, everything set to go to their email and everything. You submit your link to him and probably the website that you're going to be using, and he's going to take a look, and then he's going to decide whether or not he's going to give you the traffic or not. All right, let's talk about my opinion. So in my opinion, he claims in the sales page that you can get this done in under 60 seconds. You're going to get unlimited buyer traffic, and you're going to create highly profitable digital products. The problem is that, as you can see, it's going to take way more than 60 seconds to create this. And once you create this, then in order to get free traffic, he's offering traffic, but other than that, the traffic that you get, if you get 50 clicks or 100 clicks or even 200 clicks, let's say you make 5, 10 sales out of it. After that, you're pretty much on your own to try to find the traffic that you need to make this work. And first and foremost, traffic is the lifeblood of your business. So to send you to some good traffic is highly unlikely. Any decent traffic is going to be swarmed over by anybody who knows where it is and how to find it. So giving it away is something that's really unheard of. That's questionable. And as far as I'm concerned, this product is created for newbies. If you actually knew what you were doing, you wouldn't even be looking in this direction. The products that are available for this kind of thing are vast and much more comprehensive, and with the right training, you wouldn't even be looking at this. But fortunately for you, if you click the link in the description below, you'll get access to a free program that'll give you all the training you need so you can get started the right way. And you'll know how to identify good and bad products, and you'll easily be able to determine if this is something that's good for you or not. This is not a beginner-friendly product. You cannot create digital products in under 60 seconds, and you're not going to make passive income and big commissions and build your email list from free viral traffic. Do yourself a favor, guys. Click the link in the description below and get a complete understanding of how this actually works. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon below, and have a nice day.